everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Healing Neutrophil. I hope you all are doing fine. So today's topic is the most requested one, as most of you guys were requesting me to make a video on this. So today I'll be discussing a very honest and very genuine strategy to ace upcoming NEET PG examination. Also, so many of you guys were asking me, ma'am ki exam postpone hoga, the given date is 12th of March for NEET PG 2022. So many people are in a dilemma if it would be postponed or ma'am date aage jayegi or not, because counselling is getting delayed for the current batch for NEET PG 2021. So I would say that please stick to the given date, that is 12th of March. You know, you don't be in a false hope that the exam will get postponed. If it get postponed, it would be beneficial for you only, because you will get an extra time. But right now you just have to target 12th of March. So make a plan that stick to 12th of March. Okay, so you have to give your exam on 12th of March. So I have made a very honest timetable starting from 15th of December, and it would end 3 to 4 days before a given exam, that is 12th of March. So you can change the date according to your comfort. It's just a rough plan. So I will give a timetable here so that you have an idea. So let's get into the video. So first of all, I want to emphasize that I am making a plan for both of them. Those who are starting right now, who don't have any idea where to start, or जिनको कुछ पता ही नहीं है, they have not started their notes or anything, and for those also who have finished their first read but they are in dilemma whether what to do, as they have very less time now. So for those, so first of all, I have made this timetable should be followed for both the group. So I have given the priority first to first and second year. First you have to finish, because first and second year are something that is that you have studied long back and you have no idea about that. So I would say first and second year you have to finish now. First, I have given one week to each subject. So anatomy is something is very boring, very volatile. So I know many of you guys won't be able to finish it in 1 week. So you can take 2 days extra, 10 days में ही finish कर सकते हो. While final years are still instilled in your mind somewhere, it's there because recently only you have finished that. So third and final year you have to keep at the last. Also third and final year are given more priority. So अगर तुम last में finish करोगे तो that would be very fresh in your mind. So finish first and second year, after that go to third and final year. So first and second year में anatomy 1 week, physio 1 week, major subjects I have given all the 1 week. Also many people are like, ma'am 1 week तक they won't be able to stick to anatomy or stick to physio. So I would say do your at the daytime do your anatomy, physio, whatever, and at the night solve the MCQs of what you have studied previous day. मान लो तुमने physio खत्म किया है, now you are switching to biochem. So biochem अब कर लो अपना दिन में, but at night solve the MCQs of physio. So in that way 2 subjects can go simultaneously. So like that you have to approach. Okay, so so now what to study? So for those people who are starting right now and they have no clue where to go, so I would say, so you have to keep 2 things in your mind. You have to finish whole of the Q bank and you have to target custom modules. Whole of the Q bank, now many people will say to me, ma'am, whole of the Q bank, I won't be able to finish it in 2 months. But trust me guys, I use Marrow. Marrow has around 1800 or something, 18,000 or something Q questions. So if you solve 400 MCQs per day, you will be able to complete whole of the Q bank even in less than 2 months. Yes, less than 2 months. So a 400 MCQ solve करना is not a big deal. If you know, I used to solve custom module a lot. So करते करते पता भी नहीं चलता था कब MCQs 100 200 खत्म हो जाते थे. So custom module has a very good thing, like you can use your hashtag according to your convenience. Suppose you are very bad in investigation of choice, so you can choose that hashtag investigation of choice and all the questions will come of an investigation of choice, or hashtag suppose drug of choice, so all the question of drug of choice will come. So like that you can target and approach your weak things also. So trust me guys, if you target this, for those people who have not yet started and who are in dilemma what to do, Trust me guys, if you can complete whole of the Q bank and you do GTs regularly, provided you are going through all the explanation, you would be able to achieve a rank within 10k. I know it's you ma'am आप क्या कह रहे हो, हमने तो start ही नहीं किया, but trust me guys, I am telling you know what I have gone through. I am telling you that you will be able to get a very decent rank, so don't lose hope and keep on going. But do whatever you do it wholeheartedly, don't stop. Also you can use, if you have good time and you are very dedicated, you can use Pearls of Marrow, they are really very good. Also one thing I want to say to you all, that I have given 3 days for, if I have given 3 days for Opthal, it doesn't mean that you have to complete whole of Opthal in those 3 days. You just have to go through the important topics, like in Opthal what are the important topics, like corneal ulcers or globe injuries. So those topics only you have to do. Remember, quality should always be over quantity. Don't rush to do everything, because it's not possible to do everything in such a short span of time. So don't think that you will be able, otherwise it also would be injustice to people who are preparing for whole 1 year, obviously. So you won't be able to finish that. You have to keep in mind the important topics and go accordingly. Okay, don't, quality hamesha honi chahiye over quantity, remember. Okay, so yeah. Now for those people who have completed their first read and now they don't know what to do, now they are not very confident in their first read. So for those people I would say that please keep on going. अपने notes सारे revise करो, especially those important topics you can find anywhere, like you can find it in Bhatia, Marrow, सारे, if you go through their site or if you go through the YouTube videos, many YouTube videos also give important topics. So वो important topics, do it, plus the same thing applies to you also, Marrow के Q bank or whatever source you are using, custom modules plus Pearls. Trust me guys, 10k के अंदर क्या, you will be able to get a rank within 5k. I know you will be saying ma'am no, 5k के अंदर कैसे आ जाएगी, we have completed first read. But trust me guys, मैं कुछ भी ऐसे नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि कुछ भी बोलना है बस. I am telling you what I have experienced, what you know, if I would have been in your place, I would have done the same thing. So what I have gone through, I am, you know, as a senior, I am guiding you to a correct path so that you don't lose hope. So yeah, and also for the minor subjects I have keep 2 days or 3 days only, because if you have completed your notes, so notes minor subjects के लिए you won't be, notes भी जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, just do the Q bank thing. Q bank कर लो अच्छे से, just solve the custom modules and you are good to go. So for minor subjects तो ऐसा हो जाता है. So minor subjects की टेंशन लेने की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं है. रेडियो में just go through the important images, बार बार वही repeat होते हैं. So just go through the important topics. NEET PG point of view I am telling. So NEET PG के specially 4 to 5 year papers तो करने ही करने हैं. 4 to 5 years is least, मतलब मैं बता रही हूँ, 4 to 5 year papers, just do it and go. You will be able to secure a 5 and the rank within 5k if you follow this plan wholeheartedly. Also medicine के लिए I have kept just medicine के लिए, as I have told in my previous video also, the rule of 3P: physio, pharma and patho. Physio, pharma, patho, if you are very good, you can trust yourself and you can, you know, leave medicine in a sense that provided you are doing some important topics in medicine like ECGs, electrolyte abnormalities and some important topics like diabetes and all. Okay, so medicine में कोई भी problem नहीं आएगी. Many people, you know, DM me, ma'am medicine कैसे होगा, it's really vast and they are really scared of medicine. आपने medicine कहाँ से की थी, Marwa sir and all that. So for those people I just want to say that you can completely rely what I am saying to you. Just follow the 3P rule, plus ये सब तो करना ही करना, they are must. Electrolyte abnormality, ECGs and diabetic ketoacidosis, थोड़े बहुत other के topics you have to do and you are good to go for medicine. So yeah, this is how I have planned for you guys. Also now many people would be asking me, ma'am GTs कब दें? The GTs का time I would say, because now you don't have that much time, just 2 months time है, तो that won't be very realistic. So this to say that solve the GTs during daytime जब exam होता है, but GTs you can solve at night also if you don't feel like doing anything, or if you are feeling like very drowsy, just फटाफट दे दो. and go through the explanation. Because many people, what they do now, they don't go through the explanation, they just give the GTs and they become depressed, and now they don't want to review that. So please don't do that, just review it. Whatever score you are getting, just chuck it and रिव्यू इट. बहुत सारे MCQs उससे फंस जाते हैं, इफ़ यू ऑल्सो लास्ट के 2-3 डेज जो बचते हैं ना, सारे जो भी रिसेंट वाले डैम्स भाटिया निकालते हैं ना अपने GTs, सॉल्व ऑल दोज GTs, मैरो भाटिया जितने भी हैं वो फ्री देते हैं, यू डोंट हैव टू इवन पे फॉर दैट. सो वो GTs ज़रूर करके जाना, बिकॉज अलग अलग सोर्सेस का यू हैव दैट आइडिया. So, or especially those GTs are made keeping in mind the previous year MCQs or the pattern they have made. So please solve those before entering the examination hall. So yeah, this is the plan. This is the plan that I have made for you guys. Although now many people have lost their hope. Ma'am, there's 2 months are left. You won't be able to do. Also for those people who just have lost every hope and they don't want to even start, please don't waste your attempt. Just do the pearls, do few MCQs and go. pearls भी कर लोगे ना अच्छे से, trust me, हो सकता है तुम्हारी एक decent rank आ जाए और qualify भी कर जाओ, but please don't waste your attempt. Okay, this is the advice that I want to give to you people. So I know this year has been a lot of ups and downs, and many people have the COVID thing, many people have lost their own relatives or someone or the other. I know this year has been very tough, but I would say just keep on going, and you all are warriors, and I know you would shine, and you would be able to come out with flying colors. So I wish you all the best. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like this plan, and I hope you will follow this plan wholeheartedly. So if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. I will see you very soon in the next video.